What's hot at Vestal? Today, we are featuring our portable scissor lift table with our optional power traction drive system. Portable scissor lift tables are designed to transport and elevate your heaviest loads. A heavy-duty 12-volt DC power unit with deep cycle battery and an onboard battery charger and battery charge indicator gauge are standard. Features 8-inch glass-filled nylon casters, 2 swivel and 2 rigid, floor lock and patent electric pinch point guards. Push buttons to raise and lower lift and the magnetic hand control on an 8-foot cord are standard. Want to be even more ergonomically friendly? Check out the power traction drive option on this table. Reduce worker fatigue and injury with the power traction drive system. An alternative to costly fork trucks. This state-of-the-art option allows a single operator to safely and ergonomically transport products. The maximum speed is 2.5 miles per hour. Power traction drive system includes combination throttle, direction butterfly style control, an adjustable steering yoke, an auto-reverse emergency belly switch, and 2 12-volt batteries. Be sure to visit us at vestal.com for more information.
We're Vestal Manufacturing. We've got it.